Yours got deeper than the night. Now I need someone to bring me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I keep calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, holding on to my knees. And I'll leave out your kisses. I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth thrown to a flame. You learn the game like your sense of pain. The open and heart cool to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I've left it on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I keep calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Gonna get you out of my head. Needle and a thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle and a thread, gonna get you out of my head. You watch me, I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, myself, aging, running to come out, begging, please. Without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.
Emperador, San Miguel. Okay na. Emperador, Puntador. Paul. Okay. Okay. Hap, hap. That's the energy. That counts of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala na yung 5. Until 4 lang. Copy na. Copy na. Ay, wala yung response rin. Copy na. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember your number. Remember your number. Wala tayong amnesia din. Wala pa. Okay. Sugod na sa atong Auntie Evelyn. 1, 2. Okay. Start. Louder! 1. Okay, who's the leader for group number 1? Shout her name! Okay, Auntie Bibi for group 2. Uncle Carlito. 3. And that's true. Akala kita 30 minutos para mag-decide sila. Voting is officially open. Please, yes. Okay, very good. Now you have your leaders. And please, another instruction is name your group. Sige, choose. The name of an animal, of a fruit, of anything goes. Oh, and these are group. What? A group brainstorms. You decide what's the name of the group. It has to be a consensus. Okay, what's for group number 1? What's the name of the group? Angels. Angel or angels? With N, angels. Number 2. Angels, angels. Number 1 natatandaan ani. How about number 3? Ay, young ones. Wala sila, young ones. What's young? Yes. Maya. Angel, angel. Oh, that's your choice. Okay. Nakabandot na pa. Okay, sige. There you go. Tapos na po. Okay. Now, since this is family reunion, we will have a getting to know you activity. Okay, sige now. Turn to your left kung kailan mo siya yung pangalan. Turn to your right kung kailan mo yung pangalan. Tapos tell to that person to your right, hi. Sige na, kung kailan. Okay. Sige. I have here. Hello. See, let's start our first game. Okay. Our first game, hello, is, wala pa, sorry, I forgot something. Hello. Okay, sorry, I forgot something. Kailangan pala yung, okay, sige. Okay, please. Okay, grab and share. And we will confirm or we will check kung tama po yung mga sinagot nila. You sit by group. Okay, please sit by group. Leaders, please. Okay, she was the first one actually. Dito. Kayo yun! Effort ba yan kung nasa Very good! Very songist. Artivirty. Hindi lang understand it. Then red is or her favorite color. Jana. Yana. Is red with your favorite color? Are you sure? Did she bribe you? Spell red.
Spell Lauren.
R-E-T. Very good. Yana. Eto. Has traveled at least 5 cities, provinces in the Philippines. Anti-BB. Tinuod na natin. Unsa-unsa mga cities, provinces na? Diyan naman tan distinct. Sa dati, bini ko yung sedes. Okay, is a dancer. Okay. A dancer, Andre. Okay. Next, is was an honor student. According to her, it's Tiffany. Oh. Okay, that's DJ. Okay, Tiffany. Ano ba? DJ ba? Kapit ako. Okay. Cooks any Visayan delicacies. According to her, is Uncle Arturo. Sige, Col. Unsa na siya, Col? Palihog din, Col. I-demo, unsa na. Dili, Col. Col, Visayan delicacy. Mani. Tiyog na siya, dili. Mani. Dili, Col. Ina. Okay, na. Oh, kasi ang definition nila, according sa ganito, sa mga kapal na magluto o delicacy sa Bisaya, or Bisayan delicacy, kung saan ang mga delicacy sa Balkan?
Langhal. Umba. Pati, usa. Kumbida na luto. Kumbida na miya.
Paul, question. Paunsa himuon na ang humpa labi kayo? Unsa ang unique sa humpa sa Bisaya?
Sekreto. Sekreto.
Pagluto.
Oh, sekreto.
Ang sekreto yun, di na lutukan.
Siyempre, sikreto. Pero sa kanin ko yan,
Laway.
unique feature, di na sikreto. Unsa ang unique sa humpa sa Bisaya po?
Sekreto niya mo na kuhaan yung bullshit ka. Si Charon mismo. First step, si Charon. Kaba, mana, tangan na ako. Dito na yung utan sa kaldero. Utan na sa kaldero. Dito na din sa bulyon, ahon, paminta,
Relax. Kay cooking show mo ni. Okay na.
banana, blossom, shrimps, guys, shrimps, kabat, utan ng tubig instead water. Kahit pakulo na hinay-hinay. Kuhan ba? Kasi pabukan na lang, uli na para maanta na. No? Gabi. Yes. Kasi pagkaon, katumiwan mo na namin. Ayun na, pamayra.
Sige, Col, nung mount dito na ikaw, sa lang kayong humpa Bisaya. Col, ano humpa yung pangalan?
Ako dahil tingali ko, hapon man yung taka-tungkol nila. Sayang ano ang gay ko.
Thank you, Col. Thank you very much. Okay, humpa. Sige. Has, another definition is has 2 to 4 children. So, according to Eric, it's Kuya PJ. Okay. Is single. Okay, according to Eric, it's Abby. Where is Abby? It's Abby. Raise your hand. Oh, see, Abby. Okay, so there you have it. Si Ariel, tanan niya na answer complete. Dahil ng mga pangalan, siya ang nauna. Therefore, she is the winner. Palakpakan kita. And where's Ate Kate for the prize? Ate Iris, please come forward and claim your prize. You will it later, rather than... Ay, wow! Okay, picture. Where that one? Picture. Okay.
gagalaw.
Let's check.
Walang gagalaw.
Hoy, balik kuba-kuba. Hoy, man-slouch. Okay. Sino mataas?
May mababa sa gitna.
May mababa sa gitna. Okay, let's check.
Okay.
Okay. Ilan pa daw?
Hey lang.
Mas alto si Betsy. Okay, arrange yourselves according to... Wait! I just do this!
Wait. Pinala nagtimbangan. Ay, dapat timbangan. Stop.
Stop! Okay, set. Stop. First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Wait. Asa ang timbangan? Katong kilohan sa kopras. Katong Jun. Sit down. Sabi ko sa